This segment is sponsored by the Real Estate Top Performers. They want you to know that it is still a great time to buy or sell a home, and you can refinance right now with great rates. So, how do you go about conducting real estate business during this time? I spoke with Michael Kurtianyk of Mackintosh Realty, who told me about the buyers who are out there. But first, Sam Swann of the Mortgage Link told us how they are getting loan papers done from remote locations. Sam, thank you for joining us again. It's good to see you again.
Thank you, Ellen. Great to be here in this, especially in this setting. Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Everything's different, but one thing is the same. We're starting out with the deal of the day. What is our deal for today?
Okay, the mortgage deal of the day is for larger loans, for jumbos, which is a loan amount of $765,600 or higher. The deal of the day is a refinance rate of 3.375% with 0 points, an APR of 3.637, and if it's a purchase, it's even lower. It's 3.125 with an APR of 3.387%. So a great deal on the larger loans. We also have great rates on everything else, but this is our special for the week, so give us a call. We've got people standing by to take your call.
Yeah, they're ready right now. Sam, I know everything has changed with this pandemic, including how you guys do business. How have you been able to move everything online to still stay open, but keep that social distance?
Yeah, it is a lot different. I mean, I remember it wasn't that long ago we used to meet people in person to take their loan application. Of course, in the last couple of years with technology, we've done a lot of phone interviews and some online stuff, and through email, we're able to do the application. But even now, it's more important. We have an apply online system where we direct the applicants right to our website, and they can make their mortgage application right online themselves. A lot of people find that easier to do rather than having us do it for them. I mean, we're happy to do that still, but a lot of people they're just so used to technology these days that they go into our online application. We're notified immediately that they've started the application. It takes them about 15 minutes. Especially if they have all their financial documents handy, they can do it very quickly, click the finish button, and then we get a notification that they finished their application. So we can then go in. It doesn't get submitted anywhere yet until we have a chance to review it, fill in all the blanks, make sure that it's presentable and everything's there, and then we have a completed application. But the other thing that it allows us to do is once they've started that, they can actually upload their documents securely to us without having to email them, scan them, fax them. And a lot of people are very comfortable uploading them instead because they know that it's coming into a secure site.
Right.
And we've also found, especially with people working from home, they don't have scanning capabilities or copying capabilities. So they can go onto their bank account, download their bank statement right to their desktop, and then upload that right into our system. So it really it makes it quicker, it makes it easier, and it's secure, and that's the most important thing.
Absolutely. I was going to say we've got to thank technology for this time because you guys are still up and running. Sam, thank you for joining us today, and we'll have people call in for deal of the day.
Great to be here. Thank you.
Michael also says that many of the buyers out there are already pre-approved for a loan. Michael, it is great to meet you. Thank you for joining us.
It's truly my pleasure. Thank you for allowing me to be here today.
With the markets being what they are, and we're always talking about, is it a buyer's market, a seller's market? How do you see things right now?
Well, it's tough to say. Inventory is low when it comes to sellers, both all throughout the state of Maryland. What we are seeing is a lot of homeowners waiting to put their houses on the market until such time as they can feel like the pandemic's going to be lifted, the lockdown's going to be lifted, and then see that they're okay with allowing strangers to come into their homes.
Right. What about for the buyers? Is there a lot of options right now? Or are people even looking to buy?
So great question. It depends because there's different types of buyers, right? So there are buyers who need to find a home. The ones who are out looking are already pre-approved for their loans. They're ready to go, and either they have their house on the market or they are renting. As a result, they are the ones that are going to be writing offers pretty quickly, and we are seeing multiple offers on many homes. Furthermore, the buyers who are maybe renters or working hourly wages and don't have employment currently. They're holding off also. They're waiting until the lockdown's lifted and their employers are able to hire them and also get a couple weeks' wages in so that then they can be better approved for a loan.
Are you seeing people want to go out and tour homes right now, or are they mostly just doing kind of virtual tours of the homes they're interested in?
So that's a great question. We do have specific guidelines as to reasonings why people would want to see a home. If they're not ready, willing, and able, then we will strongly discourage them from entering homes. However, realtors are very resilient and they do change with the times. And these times provide us with opportunities to provide virtual tours of homes. Furthermore, we also see the use of an increased use of social media, Instagram Live, Facebook Live, realtors at their listings at specific days and times so that the public can go follow them and even ask questions live from their homes that they're listing so that we can not only take advantage of the technology that's available to everybody, but more importantly, making sure that we practice safe social distancing and be efficient with people getting out of their homes and writing offers.
Right, because some things are still moving. So, Michael, thank you for updating us on how everything is going. Be safe.
Thank you. Same to you and yours.
So the deal of the day is on your screen, but you have to call today to take advantage of it. Call 833-MTG-LINK or visit themtglink.com and tell them that you saw this amazing deal right here on Great Day Washington. And you can also follow the Real Estate Top Performers on YouTube.